Teach me your way, oh Lord, I pray. Unite my heart to fear your name. I will praise you with all my soul. Forever I'll glorify your name. Be gracious, Lord, so full of grace. You're slow to anger, rich in love.